Hey there. Look at this weird little guy. Black Volkswagen, black paint, Volkswagen Bug. Clearly a caricature. Ooh, oval window, right? But look at the shape of that. Is that tuned? That's what the kids call tuned now. Don't chop the top. Raise that top. This I feel like is a rescue. Because I don't think I would have kept it in such bad shape if it was mine from the beginning. That back window is hilarious. It's a pullback car. I just love these cars. Before the Super Beetle, Volkswagen must have painted their cars black, right? They must have had a black one. I just don't remember seeing the old ones being so black. I really don't remember. Who out there knows about all the paint codes and colors of the Volkswagen lineup? I remember the Supers had a lot of metallic. And there was sunbugs out there. You get a Super Beetle with a sunroof. That's called a sunbug, and it had a metallic paint. Usually gold. Anyway. Oh, look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel is on the wrong side. Cute. Tuned. This is a pullback car. It's in pretty rough shape. I don't know if you can see that wheel. Ugh. But the rubber is falling off there. I think I can get a new one. Do we even look at who made it? I have no idea. Can you read that? I'm right here and I can't read it. Whoa. Kintoy? I'll look it up. Registration number. Made in China. What a surprise. It's pretty old. You don't want to lick it. That's probably lead paint on there. I am not distorting this video. That's how it is. Anyway. I love them all. Big interior. Is it focusing or is that just my eyeballs? Gotta go to the eye doctor. Kind of looks like a Tonka rear view mirror. You know how Tonka would kind of mold pieces into the plastic? That rear view mirror looks like a Tonka idea. Part of my collection. There's hundreds of Volkswagens. Get ready for them all. Okay, bye.